we take any measure of human activity, from our population growth rate to the number of new televisions we produce or automobiles or whatever measure you want to make, they're on an exponential growth curve, which means that they're increasing geometrically with the passage of time. It doesn't take mathematical genius to understand that exponential growth on a finite space cannot endure indefinitely. And that is what we are doing. So we are running out of the space, the resources, the environment, every measure of natural resources to sustain the growth rate that we're observing on planet Earth. And that is why we must return to a method of seeing and viewing and doing that is sustainable. It is not at the present time. It is vital that we address these issues now, immediately. I have been talking about it for over 30 years because it was clear that it was coming upon us. It is now really upon us. All we can do, each one of us can do, is what we can do. But it has to start with me, with you, with every person. And the more we spread the awareness, the more people become knowledgeable, the more our knowledge base increases and to understand precisely the condition of our planet, the better we are able to address it. So it's a matter of awareness, number one, education, number two. Number three is then action. People have to find their level of activity that is, for them, adaptable, reasonable. So some are real activists, some are intellectuals that help understand better ways to do it. Some are technologists and scientists that can invent new ways to help resolve the issues. So each has to go about it in their own way, as long as we each understand the problem and do our very best to, within our capabilities, to start making a difference. That's the name of the game. There's a World Watch Institute has recently published a new book called Plan B version 2. Plan A is business as usual. Plan B lays out in exquisite detail exactly the steps we need to make to return to a sustainable civilization.